Welcome to another unboxing. What have we got here? Let's find out. Well, back on the box, it must be something important. And something from Rails from Sheffield. And as usual, it's done up very well. With compliments from Rails. And it's a Scaledale signal box from Hornby. So let's open it up. Now here it is. This signal box is a Hornby limited edition, and it's based upon the signal box at Hornby Keynes, I do believe. That's why it's painted in southern colours. Here we are. So now we're going to put it on the layout. This is the current signal box I've got on the layout, which is this ratio kit. But it's a Great Western Railway signal box which doesn't really fit my Southern Railway scenario. So what I'm going to do is replace it in this place with this Southern, this Hornby Scaledale effort. There we are. So that is now makes the railway look more like a Southern